This video demonstrates how to calibrate for conductivity on your SP-600 handheld water multimeter. Press the OK button to power on the unit. Then press the OK button again to select the Calibration and System Settings menu. Press the right arrow button to select Calibrate, and press the OK button to select Conductivity. You can use the right and left arrow buttons to scroll through Conductivity Calibration standard options, and the final option offers a customizable standard selection starting at 1413 and changeable to any desired value. For this video, we will use 1000 microsiemens conductivity calibration standard, available at pyxis-lab.com/shop. Use the arrow buttons to select a target of 1000 microsiemens. Rinse the unit 3 times with 1000 microsiemens calibration solution. Then fill the sample well with the calibration standard and wait for the SP-600 to lock in a measurement. The reading will highlight blue when the measurement is locked in. Then press the OK button to select Calibrate, and press the right arrow button to select OK. A calibration success message will appear, and your SP-600 is now calibrated for conductivity.